Welcome to my channel. I'm Venus from Heart's Desire by Venus, and today I'm going to talk to you about a project that I'm working on. Now, in the last recent weeks, I have done videos on this journal and its sister journal as well. And I had a lot of people asking for me to show them how I created these, to make a tutorial. Normally, I don't do that kind of thing, but I thought, you know, why not? So I'm going to, over the next few weeks, walk you through how I made this particular hybrid journal. If you are interested in this, I will put the link for this book below so that you can see what kind of book we're creating. It's not going to be exactly like this, but it is going to be very similar. So I just thought I would let you know that this is what I'm going to do. Now for this, I've decided that I'm going to use 3 different paper packs that I happen to have. They're digital paper packs for these. And in case you're wanting to follow along exactly, you don't have to, you can just do however you want. But if you want to follow along exactly, I'm going to let you know what paper packs I'm using. Now, this is not a paid promotion. I just happen to like these. I've got them in my stash, you know, that I have been wanting to work with these for a bit. And this is by no way me endorsing them. This is just what I'm using because after I was showing all the videos on the other 2 books, everybody really wanted to know what paper packs I had been using. So I'm going to show you these now. And that way, if you do want to follow along using the exact papers, you can. So this one is LianaScraps. It's called Woodland Flowers Junk Journal Kit. I got all of these on Etsy, of course. Fairies by Taylormadejournals, and Woodland Summer Junk Journal Kit by Inkandpagejournals. These are 3 kits that I happen to have. I like that they're all very similar colors, and they all look like they've been watercolored. So that is what I'm going to be using in the next few weeks to make this hybrid journal. So if you want to get these and follow along, great. If you want to use your own paper packs that you've got, perfect. I'm going to show you how to create this. I'll do a bit of embellishment as well, but these will transfer to any paper packs that you may happen to have. So don't feel you need to go and purchase these to do that. If you want to, great. If you don't, that's fine. Everybody's got enough stuff in their stash. I'm sure you could find something to craft along with me. So it's just a short video today, so please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will see as we start this project and go all the way through. You'll be able to keep up and join me, hopefully, on this project. I will also be recording as we're going on my Facebook page, Heart's Desire by Venus. So if you are on Facebook, look me up there and join us by posting how yours is going as we're going through this project. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.